January, February, March, April, May. Oh my goodness, can you believe we're there?
Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and it's been another week down. Can you believe it? Look, I'm out in the wide open spaces and look at the river in behind me today. I just thought I'd check in and we do our weekly roundup from outside. So it has been another hectic week, but we've finished off April and we're moving into May. Lots and lots of things coming up this week, so make sure you come back and check all the time and see what I'm putting up on my channel. But first of all, we're kicking off May with the whole kit and caboodle, and I hope you've watched that video and you can go and check out what kit I'm using for this month. It's also May I Scrap Lift You, and so that means that I will try very hard to get a lot of the list covered and one up a day. If not one, then I'll try for at least 3 a week, if not more. I really want to try and do a lot more, but of course it all comes down to timing and schedule and everything else that I do. So thanks for checking in, and don't forget, May the 2nd, International Scrapbooking Day. I hope you're out scrapbooking this week doing lots of fun things. I know that on this day I'll be doing lots of challenges from places on Facebook. So go check them out. There's lots of prizes to be won by lots of people. Also, as part of the sketch team, the Scrapper sketch team, go and check out their week-long event. You really need to go and see what's happening over there. All my links will be down below, so make sure you go and check them out. And don't forget, here's my layouts that I created this week, and I am so grateful for all the people who took the time to watch the videos, to like them and leave a comment. Your comments make my day every single day. If you've missed one, this is the chance to catch up. Check out the layout that you like the best and go and watch that video. I really do appreciate every single one of you each and every single time you click onto my channel and watch one of my videos. Well, it was definitely a light on week, and I do apologize. But work, family, what else can I say? Things just didn't go my way this week in the scrapping world, and I have only got a few to show. But from my desk to your desk is always an update about the week, things that are happening. The little girls are getting nice and big. Petal and Buttercup, and I will have an update with them next week. They may even visit. They might come and put a little 2 cents in, put their little paws across the page. So with that, let's see what I did get done. First up, I have this layout here. It is a cruise layout, and it is from Scrapper Sketch. I was using the printables here to create the layout. I did the 12 by 12 all from printables. I made sure that the patterns lined up and you can hardly see the joins in them. And as you can see, I put the border around as I always do by using 1/4 inch strips. This here was a banner using one of the sheets, and then of course I had the others, and I used the group of papers called Wolf from Lisa's her shop, from scrappersketch.com. So go and check them out, and this month we've got a big day and big challenge happening for the whole of this week, and there's specials and prizes to be won, so make sure you go and check it out. So I have added in some extra bits to it, but it's generally the premium sketch number 180 from Scrapper Sketch. You need to go and check out the premium range. This one here I did for Tasty Tuesday, and it was chocolate is better than therapy. That was the theme, and this is the one I chose. I've done with my 3 kids, well, 3 of my 5 kids. We love chocolate milkshakes. They still love them now, but back then it was a big special treat, and it was around Christmas time. So I finally got these photos scrapped. They've been sitting on my pile for who knows how long, and I really do need to go back and check them out. Now, these papers I bought a long time ago, and they've allowed for this 3 photo layout to come together nicely on the diagonal, and I just love how this has turned out. Of course, this is a hop that I do, and lots of people play along. I love how this came together, and the simplicity of those clusters is amazing. This one here was from Scrap Lift Crafternoon, and I used some Vicky Booten, her irresistibles here. You can see them, the whites there, and there's some white down in the blue that you can just see there. There were also the irresistible pieces that went with it, and I used them there with the blue ink over the top and the white showing through. I love how this turned out. A bit of mixed media on some Vicky Bouton always works well. And these were photos from Balloon Story when we went to visit. If you want to know the full story, you'll have to go check out the video. Make sure you do. It's a Scrap Lift Crafting one. You'll find it. Did some mixed media on it, added in some stencils, and put in some die cuts in behind. The butterflies that you can see on there, I've had them for a long time, and I'm so glad they're out of my stash. So Scrap Lift Crafting, as you know, is one of my favorites. I love adding to Vicky Bouton's papers, and I've added in some Nouveau drops which look like enamel dots, and that's how it's came together. What do you think? Do you like it? Would you go and check out the video, or have you already watched the video? Let me know. These two photos were amazing. Here we go with one of my favorites. I love this photo, and these papers from 3/4 Designs, perfect. This is Mint Nursery. I love it. I used some fussy cutting here. I joined two papers together by keeping the wood grain together, and it just came beautifully together for my beautiful photo of my babies. That was when my youngest son, well, he's the second youngest, was just a couple of weeks old, and that's 4 of my 5 there. You would think they were out in the country here, but they're actually sitting on the side of a road, and my girlfriend took this photo way back when we actually used film. This was actually developed from a film photo, and just shows you how clever and talented she is as a photographer. So I love this page, and I'm so glad that this paper came out, and it's been special for this photo because this is one of my most favorite photos of my children when they were younger. Look at that, isn't he a cutie? He was only about 4 weeks old there, and this paper here, beautiful. You could use it for a boy or girl, except for the tag where it says baby boy, that lent it to the boys. All right, so this one here is a National Scrapbooking Day layout. It was for lots and lots of borders. So I did lots of borders here. I cut out borders, I faux stitched borders, I layered them up. You can see them over the tags, you can see them around the circles, up and top and bottom. Of course, there is the border right around the whole layout, and that's another one. There's borders around my photos, so there was lots and lots of borders on this one. That was for a challenge over on Scrapbook Fantasies, and I just like how that turned out. So there wasn't much done this week. As I said, it was a pretty light on week. I do like how that's come together. I do think it's an effective design, and it really does showcase those photos. So which one's your favorite? Is it that? Is it the design team one? I just love those colors. Is it the Scrap Lift Crafting one with all the mixed media in the background? Or is it this one here, the Sweet Treat for Tasty Tuesday? Or do you like following a sketch? And Scrap a Sketch is a great place for you to go and get those. Only 5, but that's okay. 5 is better than none, and they're now in the album, and I'm happy that they're done. As I said, this top one here, a cruise experience, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite. This is a take 2, remember, because the first one I did, the sound was gone from this section, and I'm really not sure why, but anyhow, take 2. This time I hope you've got all the sound. I hope you like what I've produced here. Hope you're going to come back and check through the week what I get up to, and I hope that next week my roundup might have a little bit more, but you know, life is life, and you never know what it's going to throw you. So stay creative, my friends. I am very happy that you've popped by to have a look and, you know, leave me a message. And don't forget, I'm really thrilled that you're part of my scrapbooking process here at my channel. Okay, so that's a wrap for another week, and I will see you next time, this same place, and we'll check in what I got up to in the first week of May. Catch you real soon, everybody. Stay creative and have a great one.
Don't forget to like or hype. And if you're new, I hope you consider subscribing so you don't miss out anything. Make sure you stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video.